Hey, welcome back to my channel. Spring is here. I have a robin here that has a nest and on a deck. He does let me hang out here, but I said in my last video that was my last turn, but I forgot about this piece here. It was sent to me by John Ferraro from California. He's been sitting here and completely forgot about it. So I think I should turn it before I go. This is what is it? Camphor. That's a bit of a thing here, but we'll make a ball and we'll make it this way. So I don't have a bandsaw anymore, so let me chainsaw this thing up and we'll pop it in the lathe and see what comes out of it. Okay, before we start, I just want to tell you that this is very dangerous stuff. Don't try this at home. I mean, I'm a professional winger, okay? I've been winging this for like a couple years. Plus, you can see by my hair, I'm a very smart person. So don't be doing what I do. Now let's get to it. All right, let's do this piece. I'm actually doing a video in English and another one in Spanish because I'm starting a channel in Spanish. So I'm not gonna say much. I'm just gonna record and do a voiceover. Okay, first of all, I keep forgetting this, but thank you so much for all the comments on when I did my video about leaving Canada. That video got like 13 or 14,000 views, and I mean that's irrelevant, but all the comments were amazing, and I also got like I think over 200 new subscribers from it. So I thank you so much for your support on that regard. So I just keep forgetting to be thankful, but I am. And so yeah, this piece here was sent from California, and John paid like $60 and to like FedEx this thing to me. So I think it would have been bad on my part not to turn this before I go, not to make something out of it. So here I am, back to my 40-40 ways, and I haven't turned for a while. So it's funny how you get rusty quick. I mean, I don't know, I know how to do stuff, but I noticed doing this that when I was doing the last ones, I was almost leaving stuff like that they needed to be sanded with the 40-40, but here I kept leaving lines. I kept rubbing the bevel too hard when I wasn't supposed to. But I mean, it's not bad for, I don't know, like 2 years turning. But so I'm getting this thing to, I just wanted to get like a nice round shape to it. When I did my last video, one of the comments on it, I did this like long 1 hour video telling my whole story of being in Canada, and like I got a couple phone calls from friends saying, hey, you didn't even tell like 10% of it. And it is true, but I mean, it would have been a 3-part movie if I told everything, and plus some of the stuff can't even be told. But one of my friends actually left a comment saying that I should go visit him, and that he wanted to buy the last piece that I made. So that piece was a mate which we it's supposed to be used with hot water. So we tried it, and it cracked at the bottom. So I'm still gonna give it to him, but I thought since I have this this piece of Camphor, I will make a nice bowl, and I will give this to him. I'll give you the other piece too there, Mr. Dick Luke. If you're watching this video, this is for you. And I also wanted to thank again John Ferraro that took the time to even send this to me and paid like $60 to have it shipped. So I'm very grateful. This is the stuff. This is a main ingredient for Vicks, so it stinks. Here I had a little crack, so I put some CA glue and some old coffee grounds from when we make espresso, and that usually works very well. Like you can't even tell that it was fixed, especially if it's fallen the grain like it is here. But you will see that it kind of disappears, so it looks completely natural. I also have to admit that we woodworkers and woodturners, we just buy way too much crap, because I sold like half of my shop, and there wasn't one thing that I was missing doing this, so I don't know. Anyways, I shouldn't be saying that, because your wife might be listening while you watch this video and you'll get in trouble for spending so much money. But it is true though. I mean, I didn't have a bandsaw. That was the only thing, but I was able to round this piece off with a chainsaw, no problem. On the moving front, I finally got my Argentinian IDs. I got a national ID and a passport. I'm still waiting for Canadian citizenship, and then I have to do the passport too. Might as well. Why not? Plus, after being here 34 years, I think I'm entitled to my pension too, so might as well get that going. And even though I'm a national, I'm having one heck of a hard time, or it's a bit stressful. I mean, I don't know when I'm gonna wind up, but there's gonna be a lot of work and a few years of setting everything up again in a house, and it really pissed me off that I had sourced out like fruit trees. I have like 2 pear trees and a peach tree, 2 apples, a cherry, and seedless grapes, and everything is ready to fruit this year for the first time, and I'm leaving it behind. So it's so hard to let go. At the same time, there is some, I don't know how to describe it, but there's some sense of freedom that part of me says, just get rid of everything and then you can do whatever you want, go wherever you want. But I'm not sure. It's just a weird time in our lives. Kim is all excited about going away, but we kind of had it with this Mr. Well, you know who anyways. And yes, I know I keep saying in my last 3 videos I'm gonna take the shop down and do boxing stuff and packing. I will. This is now my last turn for real, so I will make a few more videos, and then the rest of it is gonna be pretty much our whole ordeal, telling the story of how it goes, because I really don't know. I normally like to, when I make videos, I know what I'm doing, and you have everything under control. Right now is nothing is under our control, but anyways, this thing is done. Looks beautiful. I think they're going to like it. But if they don't like it, I can always give them their money back. So this is it, all done. Again, thank you so much for your support and hanging out with me. this worked out really nicely. I love the grain in this piece. So anyways, I'm done. I've been at this and editing 2 videos a whole day. So thank you for hanging out. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.